We are now in the division of polynomials. Our first example is very simple. We have 15x to the fourth divided by 3x cubed, which is equal to 15 divided by 3 is 5. Then x to the fourth divided by x cubed. Remember the fourth law of exponent in our laws of exponents. That if the exponent in the numerator is greater than that of the denominator, bring that variable up and change this exponent of that variable. That's why we have therefore, and then the positive 3 becomes negative 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1, or just x. That's why you have the answer 5x. So very simple. Everybody can get that. Now let's go to the second example. 27a to the x plus 1 divided by 9a to the 1 minus x. Now looking at the expression, you may think that this one is difficult because the exponents are composed of two terms. No, it's not difficult. It is just a simple addition. So let's divide. 27 divided by 9 is 3. And then we note that x plus y is greater than this one. So we have to bring this up and change the sign of the exponents. That's why we have x plus 1, then becomes minus 1, becomes positive x. And then add. X plus x is 2x. Plus 1 minus 1 is 0. That's why we have the answer 3a to the 2x. Very simple, isn't it? Okay, let's go to number 3. We have 18x plus 6y minus 27g divided by minus 3xyg. Now, to divide this, we have to distribute the terms in the numerator. That's why we have 18x over minus 3xyg, then plus 6y over minus 3xyg, minus 27g over minus 3xyg. So, let's divide. 18 divided by minus 3 is minus 6. That's why you have there the sign minus. And then cancel the x, the excess. So what is left in the denominator is yz. Then 6 divided by minus 3 is minus 2. That's why this positive sign becomes now negative. And then cancel the y's, that one. So what is left is xg. And then minus 27 divided by minus 3, that becomes positive, positive 9. So this negative sign becomes positive. And then cancel the z's. So what is left is the xy. So the answer is minus 6 over yz minus 2 over xz plus 9 over xy. Okay? I think everybody can still get this one. So, let's go to our number 4. Now, actually, number 4 is difficult, but wait, we will move our camera. Okay? Now, number 4 is really difficult. A difficult expression, especially when your teacher does not give similar expression like this one, and then in the exam a similar expression will come out. So most probably you will just skip this expression because you do not have any idea how to do it. Now some teachers give difficult expression or problem in the exam because they want to know how much the students learn in the subject, how much they study the subject. So they will just give simple expressions or problems to harder expressions, but then in the exam they will get one which is really difficult. Why? Because some teachers want to test your knowledge, but then sometimes there are teachers that do not want that one or two, or some students will get a perfect in their exam. They want to impress their students that math is really difficult, which is really difficult. I admit that one. And so, sorry guys, I'm one of those teachers. Oh, joke only. So, we will divide this expression. But take note that there is a missing link or a missing term in the numerator. A term between x to the fourth and x squared. There must be a term which contains an x cubed. That's why here in our division, we supply 0 coefficient x cubed. Because if you, actually this is just equal to 0. So we are not changing the polynomial. Now let's divide. We will divide this by normal division. So 9x to the fourth divided by 3x, you have 3x cubed. Now be sure to place your answer right above the term which contains the x cubed. That means you are aligning your terms. Then we will multiply. 3x cubed times 3x is 9x to the fourth. Then 3x cubed times minus 1, you have minus 3x cubed. So subtract. This becomes negative, so that is 0. And then this negative becomes positive. And then that's the reason why you have 3x cubed, positive 3x cubed. And then bring down the minus x squared, minus 6x, minus 2 here. Now let's divide now. 3x cubed divided by 3x, that would be x squared. And then x squared times 3x, that would be 3x cubed. And then x squared times minus 1, you have minus x squared. And then subtract again. This becomes negative, so this is 0. And this becomes positive, that's why it's 0. And then bring down again the minus 6x and minus 2. So you have it here. Then let's divide again. Minus 6x divided by 3x, you have minus 2. Now take note that the quotient is only a coefficient. There is no variable. That's why we place that right above the term which is only a coefficient, or not a coefficient, just a number. So let's multiply. Minus 2 times 3x is minus 6x. Minus 2 times minus 1, you have positive 2. Then subtract. This becomes positive, so that is 0. This becomes negative, so that's why you have there minus 4. So the answer is 3x cubed plus x squared minus 2 minus 4, because you have there the remainder minus 4 over the divisor 3x minus 1. Okay? So I hope that everybody understand this procedure. If you just review and review, you will really understand the procedure. I hope everybody get this. Okay? So please, if you find this video helpful to you, subscribe and share so that others may also learn. Thank you.